welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm taking you to one of the coolest waterfall in Bogor, West Java, Curug Cipamingkis. Let's explore this hidden gem together.
Curug Cipamingkis is located in Wargajaya village, Sukamakmur district, Bogor. It's about 17 meters tall and surrounded by beautiful pine forest. The water here is super clear and fresh, perfect for swimming or just chilling by the pool. One thing I love about this place is how natural and peaceful it feels. You can also find fun spots here like tree houses, suspension bridges, and even a giant star monument for cool photos. The trek to Curug Cipamingkis is truly beautiful for the pets, with the sound of birds and rustling leaves guiding our way. It's a refreshing journey that makes the waterfall even more rewarding. So, this is Curug Cipamingkis. Curug Cipamingkis is a magical place where nature beauty comes alive. The fresh air, the sound of flowing water, and the stunning waterfall make it a perfect spot to relax and reconnect with nature. Now it's time to head back after an amazing adventure at Curug Cipamingkis. The trek down is just as beautiful, giving us a chance to enjoy the forest one last time before we go. So that's a quick tour of Curug Cipamingkis. If you are looking for a refreshing nature escape near Bogor, this place should definitely be on your list. Don't forget to keep it clean and respect nature. Thanks for watching and see you on the next adventure.